Whiskey. The very word evokes images of crackling fireplaces, leather armchairs, and stories shared over amber liquid. This beloved spirit boasts a rich history, one that stretches back centuries and spans continents. Early forms of distillation can be traced back to Mesopotamia, where it was used for perfumes and medicines. Irish monks, traveling through Europe, encountered distillation techniques and brought them back to Ireland. They applied these techniques to barley, resulting in a spirit we now know as whiskey. The Gaelic term for whiskey, Wesci Beatha, translates to water of life. From these humble beginnings, whiskey embarked on a journey that would see it become a global phenomenon. Over the centuries, whiskey production spread throughout Ireland and Scotland, each region developing its own distinct traditions. As explorers and colonists ventured to new lands, they carried with them their love for whiskey. Today, the world of whiskey is wonderfully diverse, offering a spectrum of flavors, aromas, and styles. Scotch whiskey, hailing from Scotland, is renowned for its complexity and depth of flavor. Made primarily from malted barley, Scotch whiskey undergoes a double distillation process and must be aged for a minimum of 3 years in oak casks. Across the Atlantic, American whiskey has carved its own unique identity. Bourbon, the quintessential American whiskey, must be made from at least 51% corn and aged in new charred oak barrels. Rye whiskey, another American original, is made with at least 51% rye grain, resulting in a spicier, more robust flavor profile. Japanese whiskey, inspired by Scotch methods, has taken the world by storm with its meticulous craftsmanship and refined flavors. From Irish whiskey's smooth character to Canadian rye's spicy kick, the world of whiskey offers a spirit for every taste and occasion. The transformation of humble grains into a spirit as complex and flavorful as whiskey is a testament to human ingenuity and the magic of time. The journey begins where grains, typically barley, are soaked in water to initiate germination. The germinated barley, now called malt, is dried to halt germination. Next comes mashing, where the milled malt is mixed with hot water to extract the sugars. This sugary liquid, known as wort, is then transferred to fermentation tanks. Yeast is added to the wort, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. The fermented liquid, now a low-alcohol beer-like substance called wash, is ready for distillation. Distillation involves heating the wash in copper stills, where alcohol vaporizes first and is collected. The distilled spirit is then filled into oak barrels for aging. Maturation in oak barrels is a crucial stage in whiskey production. Your spirit. Savoring whiskey's spectrum. Appreciating whiskey is a journey of the senses. Hold the glass up to your nose and inhale gently. The aroma is your first clue to its character. Take a small sip, allowing the whiskey to coat your tongue. Is it sweet, spicy, smoky, or a combination? Notice the finish, the lingering flavors. Add a few drops of water to open up the whiskey. There's no right or wrong way to enjoy whiskey. Find what you enjoy and savor the experience. Occasion. Section 7. Whiskey's Legacy. A timeless spirit. Whiskey, more than just a spirit, represents a shared cultural heritage, one that transcends borders and connects generations. From its humble beginnings in monasteries to its modern-day status as a global phenomenon, whiskey has witnessed countless stories unfold. It has been present at celebrations and moments of contemplation, offering solace and companionship through good times and bad. The global appeal of whiskey lies not only in its diverse flavors, but also in its ability to connect people. Whether it's shared over a campfire with friends or savored in quiet contemplation, whiskey fosters conversation and creates lasting memories. As we raise a glass to this timeless spirit, we celebrate the craftsmanship, tradition, and sheer enjoyment that whiskey brings to our lives. Cheers to whiskey, a spirit that continues to captivate and inspire us all.